Hello friends, day 91, and I have finished the John o' Groats trail, so I'm now in Inverness. Today was mostly road again, with a few bits of woodland which were quite nice, and I had to cross two major bridges, the Cromarty Bridge and the Kessock Bridge, and that meant travelling alongside the A9 for a while, and unfortunately there's just no way around that. So, having completed the John o' Groats trail, let's have a quick summary. I think possibly I was a little unfair in that I was blaming the council for not sorting it out. I have found out that actually it's being done on a voluntary basis, so congratulations for thinking the idea up, and the potential is certainly there, but it still remains that in places it's very badly signposted, and in other places it's downright dangerous, and there's really no excuse for that, voluntary or not. So hopefully in years to come it'll get better, because there certainly is the potential, with beautiful views up on the northern section. The southern section is okay, but not particularly good. I collected my new tent today, the replacement for the damaged one, and that's gone off to be assessed. So I now have a new tent, but as you can see tonight I'm in a B&B in Inverness. So let's have a look at where I've been, and I'll see you on the trail. This is an example of a section that's quite overgrown, and yet barbed wire right next to the path, potentially ready to rip your arm or your clothes.